Hi guys, this is me Shreyas Kalyan back with another video, and today due to coronavirus I am sitting at home at boredom, so I thought I'd create my own recipe with bread and cheese. It's also raining outside, so I thought it might be a good thing to cook. So what I'm gonna do today is it's called bread cheeseburst. It's not like if you poke it or do something to it, it bursts. It's not something like that. Still, it's sort of like that, but you don't poke it. It bursts in the microwave or something. Not that. It's normal bursting. So here I have bread. You take one piece of bread, but for every one piece you put, you gotta put one slice of butter around fully. This is the bread, and I got butter here. I'm just gonna slip into it. I'm not okay with a knife for spreading the butter, so I'm just gonna use my hand. It's like this at one place. Then you take that and take it like this. You take it like this, and you literally make a dent in the middle. It's kind of like a dent where the cheese sits. Because if you make it a little buttery, but if you don't like butter, you don't need to spread butter. But on the under part, you surely need to do if you don't spread it on the top part. So you spread butter here, then you close the butter. Then now comes the cheese part. Oops, it's roaring outside. Here's the cheese, and the cheese is gonna go perfectly onto this. This is gonna be the dent inside, and maybe I can close this part, but I'm not gonna, because that would. And you gotta press in so that the cheese sits nicely on the top. So that's very big. So now that the cheese has got into the dent, we're gonna microwave it. I'm gonna microwave it. I'm gonna just microwave it. I'm just gonna turn on the switch. So guys, I've kept it for 30 seconds, and now I'm taking it out. First 30 seconds. So now that this has been kind of like looking like an oldie skin, now we gotta make it into like a pocket kind of stuff. Just shape it thin like this. You gotta press hard, and both of these sides, you gotta press nicely.
Just like a momo.
You gotta press it like this.
It's like a momo, right?
Oh yeah. It's nicely pressed. Now we take another slice of cheddar cheese, and we take this out. Yep. There's it. Here's the cheese. And we make it into pieces. Oops, this is not staying well. 1 sec. This should actually stay well for making it into a fantabulous one. It stays well. Now I'm gonna put pieces into it like this. Maybe like this. Small pieces. Oh, small pieces. Even smaller than this would be good. Be sure to keep your plate tidy, because this is gonna literally burst in the microwave. So you can even shred your cheese. If you have mozzarella cheese, that would be very good. And some people can also put butter. Can also put butter underneath to give it a nice savory smell. Also, the butter can really make up the taste even better. But I don't prefer butter because butter makes too much butter is not really good. I've already put some butter in it. So this is before the microwave. You gotta put it in the microwave for 30 seconds or something. So guys, my 30 seconds is up, and let's see how this Cheeseburst has come. I can literally say that it hasn't bursted a lot, but lately I've been doing 2 trials. Both of them bursted. So this like this, that's it. You see, this is the Cheeseburst. This is what I call the Cheeseburst. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. So beautifully come out. The inside, it's so good. It's totally soft. But some people can also keep it in toast the bread a little bit. But toasting the bread makes it hard and it cannot be shaped out. So this has come very great. And some people don't prefer putting cheese on the top. A little bit cheese would have been okay. See, it looks like looks like pizza, but still it comes so beautifully. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. So thank you very much. That is a Cheeseburst. And for more videos, do subscribe to Shreyas Kalyan and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for this wonderful opportunity.